Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Z Films back with another video. So today in this video, we're going to be unboxing this new flash I got just now. I just got in the mail. I ordered it from Amazon. This is the SL450C right there, as you can see. And I thought I'll do an unboxing of this because, this is my first like professional flash because I want to start doing more photography and more of that kind of stuff. So I thought I'll get this, and it's just like a regular basic flash, nothing special, nothing too crazy. But yeah, so without further ado, let's hop into the unboxing. Alright guys, so now let's just hop into the box. I'll give you guys a look around the box. SL450 for Canon, because I do shoot Canon. There, front. Yeah, so let's just hop right in. Crack that open. Okay. Alright. So I got that open, and it looks like it comes in a case. Right there. Oh, got some paperwork here. This just says SL450C. And it gives some instructions how to use it, what all the buttons do, all of that. And this flash does have ETTL. That's why I mainly got it. Nothing else in the box. That's why I mainly got it, because I didn't really want to shoot on a manual flash, because that I'll feel like it's too hard and like not good for a beginner right now. And this wasn't too expensive. I think it was like about 55 bucks, so nothing too crazy. This does compare to the Canon 430EX, but that I thought was just like the same thing, so I just got this. So opening the flap, you see the flash right here, really tight fit. Okay, and there's one more thing in here. You got the if you want to set it down. So let's just open this up. To the side. If you want to set it down on the table just like that, and you want to or you can mount it on a tripod. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Put that right there. And it has like this belt pouch right here if you want to like hook it on a tape belt or something. Let's see if there's anything in here. Oh, okay. Right off the bat, you got some battery holders. So this does take 4 AA batteries, I believe. And in this pouch down here, you can store this stuff or you can store batteries. So it comes with a diffusion. Inside of that diffusion, oh, it looks like we got a remote. That's pretty cool. We got this little remote right here, so you can trigger the flash. That's pretty cool. And we got the hood, the diffusion hood. That's pretty cool, and nothing else in there. Alright, so now let me set all the other stuff to the side and let's see the flash. Alright guys, so this is the flash and all of its out of its packing and stuff. And to be honest, this is not that big. I thought it was going to be bigger. It has your standard hot shoe mount right here. Take this off. Take that off. I got that. Got the branding right here. And this does twist all the way, so you can bounce it off the roof, the ceiling. You can bounce off the roof or the ceiling. You can bounce it off the ceiling, bounce off the wall, all that. So it has all that. And then looking at the buttons right here, these are all the buttons. You got the pilot mode, you got the pilot, and then you could do this in manual too if you want. So you can use both modes, automatic and manual. On, off. I don't believe this comes with batteries. No, okay. No batteries. But yeah, set, go forward, backwards, all that. You got the hot shoe adapter, put that on, just screw it on. Just like that, that's pretty cool. And yeah, and I believe so has diffusion right there. like that. That's the diffusion. That's pretty cool. Just pops right back in. And yeah, that's the SL no SL450C. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and if you guys did, please give this video a like and share, and yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. It's been Z Films.